cannot satisfy the requirements of the law.
Let him say it too.
Is hereby declared.
That's all I can say. I feel good, and I thank God to God Almighty, and I thank my brothers here, thank my blood brother, Dr. Adeleke, my sister, who is like my mother, Mrs. Dupe Sonny, you know, for the support. I mean, I cannot just explain it, and I know now that there's God. God has did it, and I dedicate this victory to my late brother, Senator Isiaka Adeleke. He lives on. He lives on. His legacy is still on.
This is a keenly contested election. Where do we go from here, with you now being the governor-elect?
Well, I've told you before, I have a lot of stock in stock for Osun State. Very soon, you'll hear from me. But what I can tell you right now, I'm bringing on the table integrity, steadfastness, accountability into Osun State. Corruption, gone.
As Excellency, for your people in Osun State, what one word would you like to give to them? Your first word.
Osun State, I love you. In 2018, you supported me, and I won that election. And I promise you, I'm going to come back to do it again in 2022. And 2022 support is overwhelming. And you did it again for me. What I can say, I love you, and I will not disappoint you. I will make Osun great again.